G'day guys, it's Johnny Sot Tip here. Don't forget to subscribe for your 10 years of good luck. Now, I'm not sure if you guys know, but I'm a pretty good artist, right? So what I did, I googled hard things to draw just to teach you guys. And one of the hardest things to draw was feet. So we're going to draw some feet, right? So first off, you're going to want just his legs here like so, right? Then you're going to want to come out, and that's his foot there like so, right? And then you want to put his little toes there. That's his toes, alright? Put his little nails there on, there like so, and look at that. That's a foot there. Put his little veinies and stuff if you want. Put a few little hairs on there. That's how to draw a feet, right? And then on top of that, this is a bonus tip. This is how to draw a nice little T-Rex, right? There's his little head. Then you come down for his body, right? You do his little legs. This is the most important part coming up, right? This is his little army. So you want a little army like there, like so. And another little army there like that, right? Maybe a little belly button there. Right, and put a little smiley face on your T-Rex. Up there like so. And just put a bit of hair, put a little teeth, make him a bit mad. And there you go guys, that's how to draw a hard foot with a bonus T-Rexy. Alright guys, that's Donny's hot tip. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you on the next one.